All right, we're jumping into a pretty provocative worldview, all laid out in some online models.
It all kicks off with a really bold claim. Our whole global system is totally flawed.
Now, we're not fact-checking here, we're just laying out Guy Lakeman's argument for you.
So, what's the root problem, according to him? Well, it all starts with the voters.
His claim? 85% of people have an education level that's at or below a 12th grader.
And this idea is central to his pretty sharp critique of modern democracy,
He argues this leaves the system wide open to manipulation because voters don't grasp complex policies.
Okay, to get his predictions, you have to understand the scientific tools he's using.
First up, chaos theory. The big idea is some systems, once you mess with them, never go back.
You've heard of the butterfly effect, right? A tiny change can cause the whole system to collapse.
He also uses something called the logistic map to show how simple rules can create total chaos.
And get this, he applies this model for failure, not just to machines, but to entire societies. So where does all this lead? To a pretty alarming prediction for what's coming next.
His view is built around the World 3 model, which pits population growth against the planet's limits.
Here's a key number. He says we're already 1.5 times over the planet's sustainable limit.
His point is, you can't just keep pushing for endless growth when the system itself is unstable.
So when supply and demand finally break, he predicts the whole thing enters irreversible chaos.
Okay, so if the whole system is going to collapse, what's his alternative? Is there one? This is where it gets interesting. He contrasts our current paradigm with his bubble theory.
Basically, the only way forward is to live within small, finite containers, like villages.
Which leaves us with a big question. Is our endless pursuit of growth a bug or a feature?